Guys, it's a girl Stiff Breast and I'm back with another video. Guys, see down below the title what kind of video I'm gonna post today. Well guys, basically what I really come to talk about is a story time about it's based on friends. That's what I'm really talking about. Like you have good friends and you have bad friends. As me do a video already and said you value your true friend. From you have a friend, you must value your friendship. Yes, so basically we all experience good and bad about friends. But that's what friends do we. And yet we still go back and we deal with them. We forgive them, but we not forget. You can only forgive but you not forget. You understand? So basically you have no friends like that where do you something and you forgive them. But nowadays no friend nan do me and me go close with them again. If you do me bad things, I mean no say yeah me take you as my friend. Don't bother feel like say me go have you close as my friend again. No, I will never have you as my close friend again anymore. You have real friends where can say Camille, get up, don't do that. Don't do this, don't do that, girl, you're wrong. Or even you can have a relationship. You can have a relationship and your friend can just say, yo, relationship is not a good relationship, it's a bad relationship. So, and basically you can have him always see your partner do things and he will come back and he will say to you and say, so me see time out this side do this and I do that. You have some friend we are saying stop watching man or whatever. Do you believe that if you have a true friend and he see a man do things and he tell her back, would you tell back your partner say, Camille tell me something or whatever? Yes, basically I have some bad friend like that. Look here, if me have a friend and for example my friend have a boyfriend, like for example he have a boyfriend a Cayman or whatever, and me basically see him do something and me have the man number and they know me contact the man and say say me see Papa do this and do that. No, me not gonna do that. Him not gonna hear from me. Me not mash up no girl relationship. Me not mash up no friend relationship. Nobody relationship not mash up. Me not try to do them thing if mash up people relationship. If me and your friend, me not gonna mash up your relationship. And you a fear man have to find out what you are do. Me not gonna tell your man this and tell your man that. Me not gonna tell your man this and that. Another thing, you see friends. Imagine you have some friend around you have it like that. You have some dirty friend. You have it. And as soon as you fall down one time, the friend them where you did have around you, them gone left you. Them don't know you. Them don't know you. The one little friend and they don't know you. Them gone about them business and they don't know you. You understand? Those are not friends. You understand? Them supposed to can basically say, look here, you are wrong. You are wrong. So tell me. You understand? Tell me if I'm wrong or not. So basically that's what I'm really talking about, guys. Tell me, guys, comment in the comment section if you think that I'm speaking truth or what. I really need to know your comment, guys. After another. Guys, another thing, it's my birthday is coming up and I would like to take the time out to ask each one of you on my YouTube channel that want to wish me happy birthday and want to do a short video. Yes, just link me up, just comment in the comment section and I will link up you and make you get my number. Yes, so if you want to do a short video, please just link me up. My birthday, I have like 13 days to go, guys. The 18th of this month will be my birthday and I will keep in my birthday party. Yes, guys, and I may accept gift from now. As you see me do a video before, say anybody wants to sponsor me a microwave, I would really appreciate that. Yes. As we say, anybody wants sponsor, anybody wants to do the video, I don't have a problem with that. Yes, guys, good girl just go do up her ear. And me, I try to take out them black spot, guys. I don't know kind of black spot them be, but me, I use a cream right now. If you take out them black spot here. So, as always say, we all have our ups and downs with friends. So, we don't, sometimes you can make some little simple things get you down, or simple little thing make, you know, friendship end. So, we all have to know the good and the bad. As me say, value your friendship. Yes, that is a real thing to do, to value your friendship. Keep it real. Do good to people. Do good, and good will follow you. And don't guys, another thing, share. We all must share. Some of we say we have friend and we not share. You know, say your friend not enough food and all you do, you still not chat a friend. You know him not have no food to eat and you still not chat a friend. That's not right. If I your friend, you're supposed to can say, look here, see a 2 pound of rice if you have it. I'm not saying that, you know, if you have it. So 1 2 pound of rice or you know, I want like a half a chicken me have or whatever. Share food or food. Yes. As me said the other day, a little incident happened here and I tell you said I was so frightened with Sharpman and I don't even really want to talk about it guys because I don't really go and talk about it. I do not really talk about it. But one day I will do a live with me and Sharpman. So you have to look out for that live. Yes. And guys, another thing what I really want to do. I know I'm gonna reach far with my bananas, but I still need to help out small YouTubers. Guys, I will help out some person with them watch hours. If you need watch hours, I can link me up and I will run your playlist. Because I know some little things are going right now and most time I don't have the time to do the videos. But you know, I'll soon get it full of Stiff Breast Ent, so you have to just stay with me. So this is my little story time based on friends. So guys, yes, back into it. My birthday is coming up and I'm accepting gift from now. So, and if you want to do a short video with me, with yourself, wishing me happy birthday, no problem. Yes. So this is the end of the video. So remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend about the Stiff Breast channel. I'm out. Peace out. Love you guys.